I had done the concept of induced electric field. I had told you that if there is a magnetic field, and if that magnetic field is changing with respect to time, there is dB by dt. And if you place a coil inside it, this coil will have current inside it. That current will be called as induced current. So if dB by dt is increasing, then there will be, this is cross, so it will generate dot. Dot ke liye matlab, dot means up, na? Up means current will be generated this way. Current का मतलब होता है charge. Charge is moving. Charge is moving this way, matlab electric field is being generated this way. This electric field को बोलते हैं induced electric field. Electric field is induced electric field. Getting it? So this is your E bar which I need to find. Okay. Some characteristics which we had done last time. First, it is non-conservative in nature. Non-conservative in nature means the closed path ka work done will not be zero. Closed loop is not equal to zero. It is not like your conservative field. It is non-conservative in nature. Okay. Secondly, if I tell you, I've given you one formula which is based on that thing. So can I say F is equal to QE is applied over here? Is applicable? अगर ये चार्ज इधर रखा है तो इसके ऊपर फोर्स तो लगेगा ना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के कारण. इसके लिए तो चार्ज रोटेट करने वाला है. This charge is going to rotate because F is QE is going to act on it. Which formula is applicable? Integration of E bar dot DL bar is d phi by dt. DL bar का integration is L, so E L will become A dB by dt. Phi is AB, no? Flux is AB. So this will be the formula which I'll be using it. This I had done it last time. This whole concept I had done last time. अब हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे और देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है. What does E stand for? Electric field, or I can say the induced electric field which I need to find. Induced electric field which I need to find. L is the length of loop where electric field has to be found out. A, area where magnetic field is changing. Area where the magnetic field is changing. And dB by dt क्या है? Rate of change of magnetic field. AC के basis पर, इस पूरी चीज के basis पर, I am going to do two derivations which you all remember as a standard result. This we had done, this whole thing we had done last time. I'll start with which formula will I use? EL is A dV by dt. Case one, listen to me, you know. Look carefully. Suppose in this area, magnetic field is changing. Let the radius be R. And the loop which is there is present in the magnetic field. Let the radius be choto r. Can I say loop is in the magnetic field? जो फॉर्मूला हम लोगों को अप्लाई करना है, दैट इज ई एल इज ए डीवी बाई डी टी. लुक ओवर हियर, ई तो ई है जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकालने का. एल, व्हाट डज एल स्टैंड फॉर? हियर व्हाट डज एल स्टैंड फॉर बेटा? लेंथ ऑफ द लूप. So can you tell me how much is the length of the loop where I need to find magnetic field?
Small r.
हाँ, तो 2 pi r हो जाएगा. हेलो, what does A stand for?
The area.
Where magnetic field is changing. Can I say area where magnetic field is changing is pi बड़ो r square. बराबर क्या? Pi big r square. But उसमें से कितना फ्लक्स वो रेड वाले के साथ में लिंक हो रहा है? भाई इतना ही लिंक हो रहा है ना, इतना एरिया ही लिंक हो रहा है ना उसके साथ. तो यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Always remember this area will be considered to be the smallest area, smaller area. तो कौन रहेगा यहाँ पर? dv by dt. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
A stands for area where the magnetic field is changing, but area where the magnetic field is changing is pi बड़ो r square. But उसमें से कितना पार्ट वो लूप के साथ में लिंक हो रहा है? पाई छोटो r square. बाहर वाले से तो कोई मतलब नहीं है ना उसको. हेलो, कैन आई से दिस एंड दिस विल कैंसिल, r and r will cancel. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वैल्यू कितना आया? r by 2 dB by dt. dB by dt को कैन आई कंसिडर अल्फा? इसको अल्फा पकड़ लिया मैंने, ठीक है ना, चलेगा ना. तो E इनसाइड का फॉर्मूला क्या मिला? कितना मिला? r by 2 अल्फा, r by 2 अल्फा. आर यू देयर विथ मी? हेलो, E inside का फॉर्मूला क्या मिला? r by 2 alpha. Can I say this formula of E inside is proportional to R? देखो, getting it, getting it, getting it, getting it. Okay, sure. Next concept, case 2. Loop is outside magnetic field. Outside magnetic field. Yes or no? यहाँ पर ये क्या है? यहाँ पर सपोज दिस इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितना रेडियस है? कैपिटल आर. एंड ये लूप बाहर है. कैन आई टेक रेडियस इज छोटो आर? What will be the formula? EL is equal to dV by dt. E is electric field. What does L stand for? Length of the loop. How much is the length of the loop? बोलो जल्दी. Length of the loop where I need to find magnetic field. लेंथ ऑफ द लूप कितना है?
Small r.
हाँ स्मॉल आर, तो 2 पाई स्मॉल आर हो जाएगा ना. अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज A stand for? Area where the magnetic field is changing. Now always remember, take area smaller. So which area will be smaller now? Pi
कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर.
into dB by dt को अल्फा पकड़ा है, सही है क्या?
Pi r square.
पाई आर स्क्वायर, सही है ना? हेलो, स्मॉलर एरिया. दोनों में से स्मॉलर एरिया क्या है? पाई छोटा आर स्क्वायर है कि पाई बड़ा आर स्क्वायर है? पाई बड़ा आर स्क्वायर है. तो ई क्या हो जाएगा? आर स्क्वायर बाई 2r into alpha. This is E outside. Can I say E outside is inverse to R? Got it? ये दोनों फॉर्मूलाज आपको याद रखना है, ये वाला और पीछे वाला. डायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट सम्स आएंगे जो हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. वील गेट द रिजल्टेंट आंसर. बोलो. हेलो. यस और नो, क्लियर है?
यस सर.
No. Can I make a graph? Can I make a graph? If I make a graph, can I say E inside was proportional to R and E outside is inverse to R? So if I make a graph of E versus R, can I say at the center R is 0? So this is 0. Starting में it is E is directly proportional to R till the maximum value. And then it is inverse to R. ये पैराबोला. बोलो. ये कर चुके हैं ना पहले भी. Yes or no? And this is E maximum. Or I can say E along surface where छोटो r becomes equal to बड़ो r. Are you all there with me? Yes. So please switch on. Those who have off, please. Yeah. ठीक है, क्लियर है ये? क्लियर है भाई?
यस सर.
The first part of induced electric field. Wait a minute, just wait. I need to see the option. Just wait 2 minutes. Please switch on all your videos fast. One part was done extra in the previous batch. That is not there. I checked the portion. आपको portion में नहीं है, so I'm not doing. That was LC tank circuit. It is not for what, sir? क्या भाई? Getting enough? Hello. हेलो, यस और नो, क्लियर है ना? ये चीज नहीं है आप लोगों को, मैं प्रीवियस बैच में सिखाया था, ये बैच में नहीं है बिकॉज नीट वालों के लिए पोर्शन में नहीं है। दिस इज दैट, आई चेक्ड इट राइट नाउ इन द एनसीईआरटी के उसमें। आई डोंट थिंक सो बट देयर इन द पोर्शन initial induction is there, energy density not there, we need not break our head over it। इतना समझ गया सब लोगों को? इंड्यूस्ड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सबको समझ गया क्या? अब हम आगे बात करते हैं। वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट इज एडी करंट्स। What do you mean by eddy currents? See, suppose there is a metal and there's a magnet. And there is flux which is linked over it. If you take the magnet near, the flux will increase whenever there is change in flux. What is induced? EMF is induced and that EMF will give rise to current. बराबर है? But this current in the metal, pay attention now. This current which is generated, आपको पता है flux change होगा, flux बढ़ेगा तो EMF आएगा तो current आएगा. That current in the metal will be in this fashion. It will be representing a whirlpool or an eddy. What is the other name for whirlpool and eddy? So this resembles an eddy current. It will be going, the electrons will be moving inside the metal. So they will be representing an eddy or a whirlpool, and that currents are called as eddy currents. Achha, these currents will result in unwanted generation of heat. Heat will be generated. What is the heat generated? I square RT. Because I आ गया ना, इधर I है ना, तो I के कारण heat generated हुआ, and that heat will be unwanted heat. फिर से देखो एक बार क्या हुआ. When I keep the magnet near it and start moving the magnet, flux will increase whenever there is change in flux. What is induced? EMF is induced, and that EMF will give rise to current, and that current are called as eddy currents because it is in the form of a whirlpool. Will go inside the metal. That currents are called as eddy currents, which will result in unwanted generation of heat in the metal and will crack the metal. It will crack the metal. Other concepts of eddy currents which are used in our portion are, suppose if I take a magnet and if I have a metal bar which is hanging like a pendulum, you know, lines of force go from north to south pole. ये south है, ठीक है? Now when can I say when this metal piece moves to and fro, it will cut the lines of magnetic field, and when it is cutting the lines of magnetic field, flux will change, and flux will change तो अंदर EMF आएगा, and this EMF के कारण यहाँ पे current आएगा, and this currents are called as which currents? Eddy currents. But I know that this eddy currents obey which law? Lenz law. Lenz law मालूम है ना, जब EMF opposes its own cause. So, Lenz law. What is Lenz law telling you? EMF opposes its own cause. What is the cause over here? Can you tell me what is the cause over here? The movement is the cause. It will cause the movement to stop because that is the cause. So can I say the pendulum which is there will stop faster than normal? And that type of pendulum is called as damped pendulum or damped oscillations बोलते हैं उसको. Due to presence of what? Eddy currents. फिर से एक बार देखो, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल, बीच में एक मेटल का पीस है. ये मेटल पीस को हमने मूव किया तो लाइंस को कट करेगा, लाइंस को कट करेगा तो ईएमएफ आएगा, ईएमएफ आएगा तो current आएगा. But this current is called as eddy currents, which will oppose its own cause. What is the cause? The movement is the cause. It will tell the magnet, it will tell the metal don't move. So after that, it will stop the metal from moving, and that oscillations are called as, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Damped oscillations. Getting it? इसके आगे ये सब चीजें done. I'll just revise the whole concept पूरा EMI पूरा एक बार revise कर लेते हैं 10-15 मिनट, and then we can finish. Everything is over now. Whatever is in your portion, we have done it. I'll just revise everything what we have done. So EMI, first formula which we need to remember is E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Second formula, flux is NAB cos theta. Okay, third formula we have done in motional EMF. E is equal to BLV. E is equal to BLV. Fourth, current is equal to E by R. Fifth, Q is equal to d phi by R. Sixth one, याद रखना. Okay. Then we came to Lenz law is also done. Motional EMF is also done. Motional EMF में हाँ, फिर हमने आपसे क्या बात करी थी? पे अटेंशन हो गया ना. हमने आपसे क्या कहा था कि एक अगर रॉड ऐसे जाता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में, आपको राइट हैंड रूल लगाना है. This will be acting like a fictitious battery. So EMF will become BLV. याद है ना? The upper terminal will be positive and the lower terminal will be negative. This will be the magnetic field. The thumb will be the direction of the velocity, and this will be the direction of the positive terminal. Yeah, this is the right hand. Okay. इसके आगे हमने आपसे बात की थी सेल्फ इंडक्शन की. L. So we have done this formula. Phi is equal to Li. E is equal to minus L di by dt. L for a solenoid was what? Mu 0 n square area by L. याद रखना है. Then we have done the concept of mutual induction. Phi is equal to Mi. E is minus M di by dt. M for two solenoids was mu 0 n1 n2, area smaller by L. L is the length. बेसिक चीजें आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी. Then we had done the concept of induced electric field, which was done today. इसमें हमने दो केसेस किए. One was E inside, that was R alpha by 2. and E outside was R square alpha by 2R. And we had done the concept of eddy current. This is just the superficial part of electromagnetic induction. Each and every term is done in depth. Each and everything I've done it in depth properly. So this was the whole concept of induction and everything. Mutual induction. And, और एक चीज हमने की थी that I forgot, that is growth and decay in LR circuit. Growth of current क्या था? Current was growing. In an LR circuit, current was I naught 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. The tau was L by R. And decay of current क्या था? I is I naught e raised to minus t by tau L. But tau L was L by R. This was growth of current. This is decay of current formula. And बस इतना ही था. तो सुपरफिशियल तौर पर मैंने पूरा फॉर्मूला दे दिया है सबका. All the sums which are there are I think 100 के ऊपर 120 150 sums are there. ऊपर से check point भी है. All the sums will be generally based on these formulas only. Please revise all the synopsis. And हम लोग मिलते हैं Wednesday के दिन पर. And we'll be solving the whole concept. ठीक है? LC time circuit जैसे मैंने कहा जो पुराने बैच में we had done, I have done. It is not there for the portion of what sir?
Eight.
ठीक है, चलो, thank you. This is enough for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.